Hi, I'm Brent Ramsey, and I'd like to introduce you to the Canon VIXIA HF-G50 camcorder, the first VIXIA G-Series model with 4K recording capabilities. This new model maintains the G-Series acclaimed high-level performance and optical magnification, HD image quality, usability, and size while adding 4K 30p recording. So let's talk about this 4K capability. It's 4K UHD, so 4 times the resolution of 1920 by 1080. And of course, this produces greater detail and clarity. Now, this is accomplished by way of a formidable 21 megapixel CMOS image sensor, and it provides a powerful processing engine when combined with the Digic DV6 image processor. The HF-G50 can also record in advanced Full HD quality using the Digic DV6 image processor. This produces oversampling HD processing. So, with this processing technique, our renowned HD image quality is now even better than previous Canon VIXIA models. For subjects both near and far, the HF-G50 is equipped with a high-quality Canon 20x optical zoom lens. Now that's just like a 600mm lens on a full-frame sensor. Now that's an incredible zoom reach. And its 29.3mm wide-angle field of view lets you easily adapt to multiple environments. Working with the lens is a powerful 5-axis image stabilization system which can substantially reduce any image distortion that could normally occur during shooting, especially while walking. For further quality enhancements, the HF-G50 has an 8-blade circular aperture, giving you gorgeous background blur for scenes featuring points of light. Now this sets the tone by adding depth and visual appeal. The HF-G50 records in the MP4 format, which provides for optimal H.264 quality and near universal support. Recording is to SD cards, and dual card slots are provided for greater storage capacity. Simultaneous and relay recording is supported, so when the first card fills up, recording continues without a lapse to the other card. Externally, the HDMI can output a 5994 interlace signal, even when recording progressive internally. So this supports a wide variety of external monitors. And if you want to record to an external recorder, the HDMI outputs uncompressed 422 10-bit video in Full HD. Recording at different speeds offers plenty of creative options, like slow, fast, and interval recording for both 4K and HD. These settings can easily be viewed and adjusted on the 3.0-inch touch panel LCD, which not only lets you quickly see what you're shooting, but lets you easily record from different angles and gives you convenient access to all your menu settings and adjustments. If you're more of a traditional shooter or need some relief from bright outdoor conditions, there's a tiltable electronic viewfinder. Now this EVF can tilt upwards to 45 degrees, helping you with your comfort level while providing stabilization and a solution for shooting in a confined space or from a low angle even. And because comfort is key, the size and build of this camcorder makes it easily portable and mobile. Shooting has never been easier thanks to familiar controls like a seesaw zoom lever, joystick, a focus zoom ring, and 5 customizable buttons that you can assign to frequently used features like exposure correction or aperture mode. You can connect the optional GPS receiver, the GPE2, using a USB cable, so you can always determine the time and place a shot was taken. As you can see, the portable Canon VIXIA HF-G50 camcorder is set for a variety of conditions with high-quality video, no matter the situation. Now, for more information, visit the Canon USA website. For Canon USA, I'm Brent Ramsey. Thanks for joining us.
Sharp focus and crisp 4K detail are two of the biggest ingredients of high-quality video. A large sensor and a powerful autofocus system can really help you deliver both. Hi, I'm Ryan Snyder from Canon USA. I'm here to introduce the new Canon XA55 and XA50. These enhanced 4K camcorders deliver the professional technology you need for affordable video production in a compact size. In this video, I'm giving you the top 5 things you need to know about the new Canon XA55 and XA50 professional camcorders. The Canon XA55 and XA50 are full of Canon's legendary image quality technology. And although these are essentially entry-level models, they prioritize image quality with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing you to capture eye-catching shots in 4K UHD up to 30p and high-resolution Full HD up to 60p. The big advantages of the 1-inch sensor over the smaller type sensors are its increased ability in low-light scenes, its improved signal-to-noise ratio, and the added ability to control depth of field. Thanks to the Canon Digic DV6 image processor engine, you can transform your HD footage to include 4K image expression with oversampling HD processing. The camcorder reads all the pixels for 4K UHD and generates them to Full HD. Both camcorders include Canon's dual pixel CMOS autofocus technology. This 1-inch sensor gives you fast and continuous autofocus over 80% of the screen, even when you're shooting in darker lighting situations. It also provides highly accurate face detection AF, which helps during single operator shooting. Now with Touch AF included, you can set focus by just tapping the LCD screen. You can stylize your shots with the built-in image control features. Use Focus Guide to give an out-of-focus touch to the background using a shallow depth of field. A neutral look has been added to help capture more accurate colors in your footage. Combine this with the 800% of dynamic range the wide DR gamma setting offers, and you'll have seamless gradations through high-contrast scenes while suppressing overexposure. The lens in the XA55 and XA50 has an ultra-wide angle of 25.5mm and a high magnification 15x zoom. Add either the optional wide or optional teleconverter attachments to further extend your range. The lens is not only slim and compact, it's filled with technology to ensure amazing image quality. The iris blades have increased from 8 in previous models to 9, giving you more of the beautiful circular bokeh effects we all love. Control bright outdoor scenes with the built-in 3-density ND filter, and turn on the powerful 5-axis image stabilization when shooting on the go to help stabilize those shaky shots. Pro users will feel comfortable using the XA55 and XA50 thanks to the many features found on professional camcorders. The tiltable electronic viewfinder can tilt upward 45 degrees while showing you fine details displayed clearly in color. Finding menu items is a breeze. Settings can be easily adjusted and controlled using either the touch panel or the joystick. When using the joystick, users can quickly select most of the settings without having to look away from the viewfinder. These camcorders are specially designed to be lightweight and portable with professional controls allowing for changes on the fly. You can make quick adjustments with the focus zoom ring, the seesaw-style zoom lever, and the 5 customizable buttons you can assign to features you use the most. Plus, the BP820 battery gives you up to 2 hours of continuous recording. Whether you're covering the news, independent films, or interviews, every scene is unique. That's why these camcorders have so many built-in settings and options to choose from. There are special scene modes to help you dial in the right settings for difficult shooting situations like low light, sports, and night shooting. You can also control time with both slow and fast motion recording in 4K and Full HD. Need to send out your signal to an external monitor for broadcast? Both camcorders can output HDMI while recording or during playback. They can even send out a 60i signal while still recording in any of the other formats. The XA55 features a 3G SDI signal output, making it a great choice for broadcast or streaming applications. These camcorders don't stop at image quality. It's not just about great-looking video. The XA55 and XA50 can capture high-quality linear PCM 4-channel audio with independent settings to let users set recording levels, input sensitivity, and limiters. In addition, there's a USB connection, mic input, and a dedicated headphone jack. These ports add the options to add extra recording accessories, like the EOS GPS receiver GPE2 to record location and time information during shooting. These small, portable, and well-designed 4K video camcorders, with the addition of dual-pixel CMOS AF, makes for a real workhorse of a camcorder. No matter what your video needs, the XA55 and the XA50 help you get the shot. For more information, visit the Canon USA website, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For Canon USA, I'm Ryan Snyder. Thanks for watching.